Okay, so thank you all of you and welcome back all of you. So in today's lessons we are going to learn how you can add the pattern information. So as you see here on my screen, so I have done to modify my pattern. So that is a shirt patterners, that is a skirt patterners, front and backs, that's a sleeve, that's one. So and that is the collar. So and I have taken that one from drawing up to so detail. So by now I'm going to add the pattern information. So on the last video we saw how you can trace out the pattern. So in order to take it from drawing up to details mode. So and today let us learn together how you can add pattern information. So let's start from seam allowance. For adding seam allowance, you click on right clicks, you go to option, seam allowance here. So seam allowance width, so let me use 0.5 inch. So then click on OK. So you see automatically my seam allowance, so it applied on all part of my pattern. So and you see here automatically I have hem line. So but on the hem, so you come on option again, seam allowance. So you see well the where you want to add. So let me close that one just to move very slowly, step by step. So okay, you see here I have A13, A2 and A13. So that place is where you add a hem allowance which is different to the seam allowance you added to other part of patterners. So you click on right click, you go to option, seam allowance. So and you come on your nodes, come here on nodes, you A13, A2 is where here. So as you hear on that part on before I have putted 2. So and on A13 or after I have putted 2, which is making that change of non-equal seams, because here is on hemline and here is on seam, side seam. So after that you click on OK just to apply that seams on both sides. So for adding grain line, so you click again on right clicks, you go to option, so you click on grain line. So you make sure if you tick on grain line visible like that, so you leave that angle of rotation is usually 90 degrees. So here on the length, let me use 16. So allow on both lines. So that's one, you leave it like that. So then you click on OK. So automatically see I have my grain lines on pattern on my pattern. So you see here. So let me add the pattern information. So as usually you right click option, label, edit template. So and you come on that plus sign, you click on it. So my pattern is front part, front part again, shirt, size 12. Size 12 full scale. So then you click on number of cut. Number of cut is cut 1. Cut 1. Then okay. So you come on labor. So you make sure if you tick on piece labor visibles. So width, let me use 3.5 up to 3.5 inch. After that you click on OK. So you see I have my pattern information. So this one is to add the notch, adding notch on that point. So you click on it, then you right click pass mark, click on pass mark. So then you click again on right click option pass marks. So 8 lengths, let me use 2 inch. So I need one line as my notches. So then click on OK. You see I have. So let me adjust it. Let me adjust it. Let me make it very big. Just pass marks. Let me use 5 inches to mainly 3 inch. So automatically I have notch here. So and here also I have a notch, and here also I have notch. As you see here, it is very big. So and A4 option pass marks, I choose A4 here. After choosing it, I click on manual length. So then 2 inch, then click on OK. As you see I have it here. I have other notches and the other notches from that step. So the other things which is remains to take that pattern from drawing to from detail to the layout. So other things we have to know which is important in Valentina software, we have 3 main steps of creating a pattern. So we have a drawing, details, and the layout. Drawing, step number 1, where we draft our patterns. Detail, where we add the pattern information, seam allowance, grain lines, and the layout for setting parameters for printing and the finishing our patterns. So the layout can be exported to your preferred file format and saved to your hard drive. So as you see, let me zoom out. So I have added pattern information on all my pattern piece. So sleeves, skirt, collar, back part, so skirt front part, all that is the pattern piece. So let us export our patterns through layout. So here I need inch, so I prefer to use inch. So I select the unit is inch. So the width for fabric is equal to 60 inch, which is equal to 153 centimeters. So template, let me use load 24 in 96 ppi. So and also let me change it into inch. So, and here I use 0.1. So efficient here You click here, you click here, you make sure if it has blue ticks, all of that. So descending areas, so but you can choose also 3 groups, but descending area is good. Nesting quantity, so we tick on nesting quantities because nesting quantity is automatic arrangement where it crop automatically unused length. As you see, I tick it to auto crop unused lengths, to tick on auto crop unused width and unit page if it's possible. So, and you make sure if it's on divide into strips, which is equal multiple times 1. So then here export text as the path and click on OK. So you wait for efficient, so but you have to make sure if your efficient coefficient is equal to above 18%. So here I have 74.2. So but let me wait for other efficiency. So here you wait 1 minute. I'm exporting my partners from Valentina to usable partner. So that one is not good, it's not perfect because it has only 74 out of 74%. So let me adjust it again. So by clicking width, let me use, it is centimeter, inch, 60, 18. So and that one is good. Manual priority, so then OK again. So here I have, so that's good. Efficient coefficient now is 84.2%. So that one is good. So I can export that as it is. So as usually you wait 1 minute for exporting the partners. So don't go anywhere, don't miss other class. So next video we are going to grade our partner. So you see now it's okay, it's arranged well and it looks so nice. So I used nesting quantity for automatic arrangement, and as you see here, it cropped automatically unused height and it cropped automatically unused width. So that's the why we have to tick on nesting quantity. So for exporting, you come here to export original layout. So you click here, so you choose the location where you want to save it on your hard disk. So let me choose desktop, select folder. Okay, file format is PDF, but when you have a plotter, you save your document on AutoCAD DXF 2000 flat files. So that one is very good for plotter. So and SVG files, and also that one it used for plotters. You can export as portable network graphic, PNG, PS files, AutoCAD DXF R10. So all that is file format you can use for setting or for exporting the original partners TIFF That one is for professional printing and PDF titled when you do have a plotters and you want to use that simple printer, so you can print that PDF titled files for full scale. So but for this time let me use PDF as my file format. So let me call it partner name, file name. So let me use partner lesson, exporting lesson, exporting lesson. So here you make sure if it has 100% on horizontal and vertical 100%. So after that, so I have used a 496 ppi. So on paper parameters you have used 24 lol in 96 ppi. So then here the last step is to click on OK. So and I can close that. So to find my partner in where I saved it, here desktop, so here that's one. So as you see here, that's my final works for the school which haven't, or someone who haven't printers, so you can export your partners in PDF as you see here. So that's my final product. From all the process we have flowed from the drawing details up to layout mode. So don't go miss tomorrow class. So tomorrow we are going to grade, so we're going to learn together how you can grade the partners, and you have to know the grading is a process of creating different size of partners but in the same style. So in tomorrow lesson, so we are going to learn together how you can do that, from creating a grading table until you create that partners of different size in the same style. So thank you for watching. So please subscribe, share and comment for more improvement. So we have to learn more about digital partner makings and digital illustration. So thank you for watching.